Are you ready to stop wasting time chasing trends and finally learn the proven strategies that genius level investors use to build real wealth? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as we're diving into the fascinating world of investing and how you can learn to invest like a genius. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for a while, understanding efficient investing is crucial for building wealth and securing your financial future. In this video, we'll explore smart investment strategies that can help you make informed decisions and maximize your returns. We'll break down complex concepts into easy to understand tips, ensuring that both beginners and seasoned investors can benefit from the insights shared. You'll learn about the importance of diversification, the power of compound interest, and how to analyze market trends effectively. Mastering these investment skills is not just about making money, it's about avoiding costly mistakes that can waste your time and resources. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to approach investing with confidence and intelligence. So grab a notebook and let's get started on your journey to becoming a savvy investor. Understanding investment basics. To become a successful investor, it's essential to grasp some fundamental concepts that form the backbone of investing. Let's start with key terms. Stocks represent ownership in a company, allowing you to benefit from its growth and profits. Bonds, on the other hand, are loans you give to companies or governments in exchange for interest payments over time. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, making them a great option for those looking to spread their risk. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial. This refers to how much risk you're willing to take on in pursuit of your investment goals. Are you comfortable with the ups and downs of the stock market? Or do you prefer the stability of bonds? Defining your investment goals, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding education, will shape your strategy. Finally, always encourage yourself to research and understand market trends before making decisions. Staying informed will empower you to make smarter choices and adapt your strategy as needed. With these basics in mind, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy investor. Developing a strategic mindset. Successful investing goes beyond just numbers. It requires a strategic mindset that can navigate the complexities of the market. One of the most important traits to cultivate is patience. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a long-term journey. Embracing a long-term perspective allows you to ride out market fluctuations and benefit from the power of compounding over time. Another key aspect of a strategic mindset is the ability to learn from failures. Every investor faces setbacks, but it's how you respond that matters. Instead of being discouraged, view these experiences as valuable lessons that can help you refine your approach. Adaptability is crucial in the ever-changing landscape of investing. Additionally, continuous education is vital. The financial markets are constantly evolving, and staying informed about market changes, economic indicators, and emerging trends will empower you to make better decisions. Regularly reading books, attending seminars, or following reputable financial news sources can enhance your knowledge and confidence. By developing this strategic mindset, you'll be better equipped to navigate the investment world and achieve your financial goals. Research and analysis. Techniques. When it comes to evaluating investment opportunities, effective research methods are essential for making informed decisions. One of the first steps is to analyze financial statements, which include the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. These documents provide insights into a company's financial health, profitability, and operational efficiency. Key performance indicators, KPIs, such as earnings per share, return on equity, and profit margins can help you gauge a company's performance relative to its peers. In addition to financial analysis, understanding the roles of technical and fundamental analysis is crucial. Fundamental analysis focuses on a company's intrinsic value by examining its financials, industry position, and economic factors. On the other hand, technical analysis looks at historical price movements and trading volumes to identify patterns and trends. Both approaches can complement each other, providing a well-rounded view of potential investments. Encouraging viewers to utilize various resources is also important. Financial news outlets, investment platforms, and analytical tools can offer valuable information and insights. By combining these research techniques and resources, you'll be better equipped to identify promising investment opportunities and make sound decisions. Diversification strategies. Diversification is a crucial strategy for mitigating risks in your investment portfolio. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can reduce the impact of any single investment's poor performance. Common asset classes include stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. Each of these classes reacts differently to market conditions, so having a mix can help balance your portfolio and provide more stable returns. One effective way to achieve diversification is through index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These investment vehicles allow you to invest in a broad range of securities, often tracking a specific index, which can significantly reduce risk compared to investing in individual stocks. For example, an S&P 500 index fund gives you exposure to 500 of the largest US companies, spreading your risk across various sectors. It's also essential to regularly review and adjust your portfolio based on market conditions. As the market evolves, certain asset classes may perform better than others, and your investment goals may change over time. By staying proactive and making necessary adjustments, you can maintain a well-diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Avoiding common pitfalls. Investing can be a rewarding journey, but it's essential to be aware of common pitfalls that can derail your success. One of the biggest dangers is emotional investing. Making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed can lead to significant losses. It's crucial to remain level-headed and stick to your investment strategy, even during market fluctuations. Another common mistake is setting unrealistic expectations. Many investors fall into the trap of get-rich-quick schemes, believing they can achieve substantial returns overnight. In reality, successful investing requires patience and a long-term perspective. Setting achievable goals based on thorough research and realistic market conditions will help you stay focused and motivated. Additionally, misinformation can be detrimental to your investment journey. In today's digital age, it's easy to come across conflicting advice and unreliable sources. To avoid this, seek guidance from trusted financial advisors or reputable investment platforms. Surrounding yourself with credible information will empower you to make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. By being aware of these common pitfalls and taking proactive steps to avoid them, you can enhance your investment experience and work towards achieving your financial goals. In conclusion, as we wrap up our discussion on learning to invest like a genius, let's recap the key strategies we've covered. We explored the importance of understanding investment basics, developing a strategic mindset, and utilizing effective research and analysis techniques. Remember, informed decision making is crucial in navigating the complexities of the market. Key takeaways include the significance of diversification to mitigate risks, the value of patience and long-term thinking, and the necessity of continuous education. As you embark on your investment journey, keep these principles in mind to help you make sound choices and avoid common pitfalls. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends or family who might benefit from it. Additionally, explore our related content for further learning on investment strategies and market trends. Your financial future is important, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.